Up here, up here, up here, up here.
He's on me.
Theo, come up. I'm mining fatigue. I'm mining fatigue. We can't mine out. Theo. We can't get out with mining fatigue. Do you have milk?
No, I don't. Do you?
No.
I didn't have any in my inventory.
Theo. This is gonna sound crazy, bro. Jump out of that window. Jump out of that window.
No!
Oh my gosh! What?
Oh my!
Oh, okay. Get the stuff.
Oh my!
Dude, most people don't even know that, dude. That you can activate Frostwalker on boats. They think that you need like a full block.
Yeah, I
but look.
didn't even know that.
See?
Wait.